Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's talk about requests module in Python. So we use requests module to access internet data. Simply, we need to import this request module. Okay, and this we will use authentication. Import HTTP basic authentication to access URL with required authentication with username and password. So this is our URL called endpoint with this user and path basic authentication. Now we pass these values to HTTP basic authentication. The class takes username and password. Okay, so we pass this value to get method as auth parameter and URL, so our endpoint. Then we try to print result code, headers, return data. Okay, then we call this method in the main method. Just get result code will be 200 from here, and this is the header data. This is the returned data user. This is the user that we passed. Okay, that's all guys for this video. See you in the next one with requests module. See you there. Thank you.